Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Konakele kumkhonto wesizwe party. Ilokho nje engingakusho ukuthi konakele kumkhonto wesizwe party. Cela uzwe la.
Comrade Busisi Mkhwebane is just an ordinary member. There is no Comrade Busisi Mkhwebane yet until she is appointed. So, with that said, any changes that will be done under our leadership, we are going to reverse it, and it's going to reverse it as a matter of agency to make sure that our armed forces are not confused. We will get to 2026 victorious because we are dealing with that matter, and by next week everything will be sorted with regard to making sure that when we nominate a candidate, there's no confusion in the province.
Lenkulumo kaMama Mary Pardee uyikhulume ngomhla ka-28 kuMeyi 2025. Wathi uBusisiwe Mkhwebane, Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane uyi-ordinary member yomkhonto wesizwe party bazoyirivesa yonke lento le. And njoba bezoyirivesa, it's a matter of urgency. By next week. Akusi coincidence ukuthi asho kanje uMama Mary Pardee bese ngeviki elilandela lapho kuyizolo ukuthi uSecretary General uFloyd Shivambu akasesi uSecretary General nakho sesiwe eParliament. Akusi coincidence, akwenzekanga ngoba enephutha lokuya eMalawi, cha. Ngizokulethela ubufakazi bokuthi njengoba ethe bazosirivesa lesinqumo sebeqalile ukusirivesa. Njengoba ngiqale ngathi nje konakele kumkhonto wesizwe party, ngifisa nazi ukuthi uma ngase kuthiwa umkhonto wesizwe party uluze membership noma abantu abasawuthembi njengoba bebewuthemba, nazi ukuthi abantu abenza yonke lento uPresident uJacob Zuma, uMary Pardee, uDuduzile neqembu lakhe, nabo ubufakazi. Ngithe uma ngena ku-X yaziwa ngeTwitter ngadibana naye post ethi first week of July sizobe sikhona. Nayi ama-open quotes inkulumo ebhaliwe la ukuthi Honorable Zuma Sambudla ubhalele uCEO we-IEC ukurivesa i-appointment yaseMpumalanga. Bathi close quote. Iyona nto ebhalwe la, nabo ubufakazi. Nansi email ibhale Honorable Zuma Sambudla ithi bhalela uCEO waka-IEC ukuthi arivese ama-appointments waseMpumalanga. Naku-national nakula amanye ama-province lawa angaka-approve nawo kufuneka awarivese since uyi-accounting officer ye-MKP. Asazi bekuthiwani lapha ngoba Busisiwe Mkhwebane. Kodwa kubhalelwa la umuntu ukuthi akabhalela uCEO waka-IEC. Bese iyaphendula ubaba uJohn Dlela ethi yena dear Honorable Sambudla Zuma, uphendula ke yena uDudu Zuma, ngiyahambelana nama-instructions lawo awaproposele ukuthi akube nezinguquko kulezi ezazenziwe uformer Secretary General womkhonto wesizwe party kuma-PLC members enationally kanye nawe-provincial ukuthi awaka-approve. Ngaphambi kuba ngifunda i-email yesibili, uyakhumbula amazwi engiqale ngawo kaMama Mary Pardee othe lelu daba lo azoriveswa lama-appointments. It's a matter of urgency. It's a matter of urgency. Ya, umama u-advocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane uzulelwa ngamanqe. Uzulelwa ngamanqe. Ngempela kuDuduzile Zuma uyibhalile i-email. Nansi njengoba uyibona ku-screen sakho. Mawubheka baphezulu uthi I do not approve with the changes. Many thanks. Obhalile uDudu Zuma Sambudla. Ngaphansi ke nansi na umlayezo uyithumele ngomhla ka-3 kuJune 2025 ngo-9:49 ebhalela Ulanga Gugu. Nayi email yakhe ayibhalele kuyo. Message beyithi morning DCEO. Kindly please refer to the attached letter and the trail of emails and advise accordingly. Ithi ke ngesizulu ngicela ubheke ilethe esi-attachile kanye nokulandelana kwama-emails. Cela wazi ukuthi kunjengoba kubhaliwe lapha ya. Njengoba bathi advise accordingly, shuthi kunjengoba sibhalile. Hayi kuyasetshenzwa kumkhonto. Njengoba ubona ke ukuthi lezi nguquko kade besho. Asazi ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe party uzoza nayiphi excuse ukuze bakhiphe umama uBusisiwe Mkhwebane ukuthi angasabi uconvener waseMpumalanga njengokubeka kwakhe, ngoba phela manje barivesa zonke iy'nqumo ezazithathwe former SG. Uyakhumbula ukuthi umama uBusisiwe Mkhwebane wamenyezelwa uformer SG okuSifiso Maseko. Ingakho ngithi uzulelwa ngamanqe. Njengoba ubona nje esithombeni ukuthi hhayi baqedile ngomzwanele manye, baqeda ngoFloyd Shivambu, sekuzwa kumama uBusisiwe Mkhwebane. Maduze. Kodwa wayesitshelile u-breakdown. So funeka sikulindele ukuthi umfeka ngenzeka abo-SG. Kunevidiyo engiyibonile ka-breakdown la akhuluma khona no-Edward Zuma. Wathi nangu president. Wathi u-Edward hayi angifuni inkulumo. Wathi hey, ngiyakubalekela ukukhuluma mina. Wayesitshelile-ke uPrince Mashel. Wasitshelile uPrince Mashel. Wathi le i-party ye-family akusi-organization. Ngithanda ukumkholwa manje. Isizathu esenza ukuthi ngimkholwe yingoba umuntu okuthiwa uterminatiwe i-membership yakhe ubonakale ingxenye yezinto ezenzeka lapha izwi likaZuma lingaphezu kwe-constitution ye-party. Uma uZuma eshinto kufanele ingalandelwa i-constitution. Akusi-organization ke makunjalo. Uma ngabe umuntu ezoxoshwa noma appointwe ngentando kaDudu nethimba lakhe, umuntu uDudu Zuma bengam-approve lowo muntu loyo noma bengamzwisisi lowo muntu kufuneka akhishwe. Ingakho nami sengithi ngiyamkholwa ngempela uPrince Mashel ukuthi le organization ye-family. Kanti uCIC bambuzile namuhla ukuthi CIC wena nazo indaba ngoFloyd kuthini ukuphawula kwakho? Waphawula kanjena ku-CIC.
I don't work with Floyd anyway. Parliament or soccer match or anything. I don't work with Floyd. Angifuni uyingena into ya Floyd. Uphi so I'm not getting involved. I am queen here. So it's not our problem. We are in parliament, we are working in parliament, and that's it. If he comes to parliament, he will find us rolling. The parliament now is run by young boys. Young people are running that thing. And if he comes then thinks he can impose himself on them, they are already ready for him. So you can be rest assured he will not do anything that can undermine the superior logic of the EFF in that parliament.
Njengoba umuzwa ku-CIC esho ukuthi cha akafuni nje kuyikhuluma indaba kaFloyd, kodwa yena ayakwini. Wayaphi? Sho njalo ngesiZulu. Mayithi yena ayakwini uthi waye yaphi yena? Yena ayakwini. Mawukhumbula i-interview noma ngeke ngisaya-attach la ka-CIC ekhuluma no JJ Tabane wathi bonke abantu abasebenze noZuma wabalaxaza, uyedwa umuntu athembeke kuyo uDuduzile. Wathi noma kungathiwa kwenze njani waze wathi uJJ Tabane kodwa akufanele. Wathi no, akufanele. Bonke abantu abama noZuma ekugcineni kosuku yabajikela. So besingayikholwa lento, kodwa uma kwenzeka zonke lezi zinto njoba kuzoba ney'nguquko nje eMpumalanga. Phela nangu uDuduzile uyibhalile i-email. Nansi i-email kade ngikufakele yona. Umbone ukuthi uDuduzile ubhalile wabhalela i-IEC CEO wakhona emazisi ukuthi kuney'nguquko efuneka zenzeke. Uma kwenzeka kanje ngempela lento yayishiwo ngabantu isiyiqiniso. Asazi, kodwa uma kwenzeka kanje kusho ukuphela kwe-MK Party. Lokhu nje kusho ukuphela kwe-MK Party. Ngizwela ama-ground forces, ngizwela abantu abazikhandlayo bezikhandlela i-political party befuniye phambili. Ngizwela abantu abayeke konke bashiya ama-political party abakuwo ngoba bekholela lento ebishiwo. Kodwa uma sekwenzeka kanje i-organization, that's why i-organization funa ibe ne-structure, organization funeka ibe ne-constitution ukuze izokwazi ukuthi ilawuleke. Kodwa akungathi i-organization inalezo zinto besilawulwa kwenye indawo. Ubuke nje indlela enza ngayo umama uMary Phadi. Khomisa ngokusobala ukuthi uziphethe. Khomisa ngokusobala ukuthi akayilandeli i-constitution. Ukwazi ukwenza imicimbi enga-approvwanga nenga-authorizwanga i-political party. I-organization enjalo. I-organization is bigger than anyone. But if there is someone who's bigger than the organization, kuzoba ne-problem. So ile video bengithi angilethe kushubile ku-MK Party, kodwa lokhu ngesingami kusho kuphela kwe-MK Party. Ngesingami mhlambe ngingaba wrong, asilinde, only time will tell. Asazi lo 2026 abakhuluma ngayo ukuthi uyofika kunjani. Uma kusenje ngizwile izolo, ngifunda ama-comment izolo, ngabona i-comment ethi kukhona i-committee uFloyd ebekafuna ukungena kuyo, kwakhona abanqabayo. Khona kunjalo ukuthi udeploy eParliament kodwa kune-committee engafanelanga angene kuyo. Hey, no, asiyeke singakhulumi kakhulu. Angiyibambe la le video, bangifuni ibe yinde kakhulu. Angifuni ukuthi uzukhohlwe ukuthi konje bengiqale ngani. Kodwa nje why uMama uMary Phadi athi sizokwazi kuleli viki, bese ngempela kuleli viki siyazi. And uMama uMary Phadi bekahlangane nje ubona la ku screen, bekahlangane noJacob Zuma. After nje ekhulume nepress, wakhuluma zonke lezi zinto lezi ade ezikhuluma, wakhuluma lento engivile engiqale ngayo kaBusisiwe Mkhwebane, wayeseyobonana noJacob Zuma. Ngiyacabanga laba bafike bayixoxa khona, noma bekusebusuku kukuhle kujatshuliwe. Ilaba bafike bayixoxa khona ukuthi hayi isenze njani. Kwa-structure ukuthi no, uFloyd asithi uFloyd waba wrong ngokuya eMalawi, noma yena waye wrong, kodwa uma ucabanga into yangoMarch ngazoyilungisa ngoJune, impela no ucabanga why uMary Phadi athi izolungiswa lento le by next week, esho last week, then this week uFloyd akhishwe. Wayishitshelele breakdown, ushilo breakdown, wathi kukhona ikhanda bebelifuna sebelishayile, ushilo breakdown. Wathi ngabe ngiyayifaka ivideo kaBreakdown, inkinga yini nomusic manje, umusic lo ngibangela inkinga ngenxa ye-copyright. But uBreakdown ushilo wathi umzwanele manje ubendlalela nje, endlalela uFloyd sebemshayile, shede uMama uBusisiwe Mkhwebane. Asilinde sibone kwenzakalani. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo, ungasisupport ukujoin membership, ungasisupport usidonate noma ngamalini kwi-account ekhona la ephiniwe. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.